Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to clear the hidden cache on your Google Chrome to make your browser faster and free up space. So let's just dive right in. Open up Google Chrome on your Android device for that, and once you access it up, you can tap on the three dot menu in the top right corner and select it. And once you select it, what you may do is scroll to the given options and look out for the settings and tap on it and access the settings of your Chrome. Now from here we can clear our browsing data. So look out for the privacy and security option from the basics and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you need to look out for this option called clear browsing data. So tap on clear browsing data, delete browsing data. And once you do so, here what we need to do is basically go ahead and select the option of cached image and files and the cookies inside data. Ensure these two are confirmed even though none of others are. So ensure both of these are selected, and you can select up a time range. Look out for the time range option at the top and select it. And there you can select last 15 minutes, hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, and all time. Select the time range and just go over and tap on this delete data option. And once you do so, you can tap on delete, and that should remove hidden cache for the app and website stored behind the scenes. And that is it. Also, you can clear the application's cache, so hold the Chrome application for that and go to the info section at the top. And from here, once you go to the info section, what you may do is scroll down, look out for the storage section and tap on it. And go ahead and look out for the clear cache option in the bottom right and select it and clear the cache for the application this way as well. So that is it, everybody. These are the methods you can follow up to clear the hidden cache regularly to keep Chrome very smooth and responsive. So if this video helped you out, like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.